Hello, namaste, annyeonghaseyo, hola, privet. Today I have an exciting DIY project for you, designing your own mobile cover using acrylic paint. So let's get started. Make sure your mobile cover is clean and dry. Now let's start painting. Apply black paint to the cover, then use a sponge to gently dab it. At first I applied the black paint directly onto the cover, but it began to peel in some areas. As I tried to fix those spots, other parts started coming off too. That's why I chose to use a sponge instead. By the way, remember one thing, if you will use a sponge, then it will create a texture-based layer. Now apply crimson red, ultramarine blue and white paint, then dab it with a sponge. I chose these colors to create a galaxy background, but feel free to use any colors you prefer. You know, I initially had a different design in my mind for this cover, but things went wrong from the start because the paint didn't adhere properly to the case. I'm not sure why this happened. When I painted a cover 4 to 5 years ago, it went smoothly, but this time was different. Perhaps the surface of the phone case was too smooth. It was a bit frustrating, but I pushed through. After finishing the background, I drew a yin-yang fish with some lotus flowers. A lot didn't turn out the way I imagined. The paint was drying quickly, making it hard to use the brush properly. When I tried adding a bit of water to the acrylic paint, it spread too much instead of going on smoothly, so I decided not to use water. If you want to see how it should have turned out, check the iCard button above for the mobile cover painting I mentioned. Well, This step is optional, but I like to use a mix of Fevicryl glue and a little water to evenly seal the painting. This way, when you apply the transparent nail polish, it won't get absorbed by the acrylic paint layer. Instead, the glue will block it, giving the cover a nice shiny finish. Let the glue dry for a full day, then apply the transparent nail polish 1 to 2 times for a long-lasting effect. Another way to protect your design and make it last longer, use a clear acrylic sealant. Spray a light, even coat over your painted case in a well-ventilated space. Let it dry completely before using your phone case. And there you have it, a personalized hand-painted mobile cover. Thanks for watching and see you next time.